Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I would like to show the area and circumference of a segment of a circle, which is slightly more complicated than a sector in terms of finding an exact formula for it. Geometrically, a segment of a circle is different from a sector in that it can be seen as a rectangle slicing through part of the circle, because the two straight lines that make up a segment are parallel rather than perpendicular. We can actually use the sector of a circle to derive the segment of a circle by first taking a segment of a circle as we normally would, but then also dividing it into a way that it will be a triangle and then the rest of the sector, like so. We can see graphically that the area of the segment would be the area of the whole sector minus the triangle we found. And we remember that the area of a sector of a circle is degree out of 360 times pi r squared. We next measure the straight line that is the base of the triangle, and we can see the radius of the sector counts as the slant of the isosceles triangle that we found. So we can see that the height of the triangle is exactly the square root of radius squared minus the base squared, divided by 2. Since we have figured out the base and height of the triangle, we simply do the formula area equals 1/2 times base times height, and subtract that from the area of the sector, and we have a concrete formula for the area of a segment. An ellipse can be proven in basically the same way. It's just that the length of the triangle would be different compared to its height, as well as the fact the area of the sector would be different. Now that we have explored ways to find the area and perimeter of the most basic types of curves, we can investigate how to analyze more sophisticated curves by breaking them down into these simple curves, as well as straight line shapes, as the case may call for. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.